Welcome. If you wanna turn off the location on your Motorola Moto Z, let's open the notification bar. Now we have to swipe to the right, and as you can see, we have to add it because currently we don't have the location icon here. So click, hold and drag here, and right now go back. And if you want to turn off the location, click on this icon, but also we can change it from the settings. And now we have to move to the security and location, and there we have the location option, and here also we can turn off the location of your device. So thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.